Hi everybody, it's Mike. All right, going to try to get right to this. I know of two ways to test an electric motor. One with just a multimeter and one with a power supply. I might have this completely wrong, so leave me comments if I'm wrong, which is always a possibility. I bought a slot machine / bank from a local online auction and it doesn't work. So I want to test the motor to see if that's the problem. So this slot machine works off 2 D batteries. Batteries are DC, so set your multimeter to DC. Probably the lowest setting is fine. And alligator clips help. I got the alligator clips on each of the probes. And I'm going to hook them up to the tabs on the motor. And all you got to do is spin the motor around. If you got numbers coming up on the multimeter, then the motor works. Like I mentioned, this slot machine works off 2 D batteries. D batteries are 1.5 volts each, so 3 volts total. Set the power supply to 3 volts. Get the only use the one alligator clip on this one. Clip the one to the one tab there on the motor. And then I'm just going to touch the motor with the other one here, and needs a little lubrication, I guess, but it works. So there you go. It's really that easy. 2 quick ways to test an electric motor. Thanks for watching. I hope you would subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.